now that you've got the hang of the farmer and the Dell, you can play it with just a single strum down, or you can do it down, up. Let's just run through the other different words that can go to this tune and see how those sound. We're going to still be doing that F, C, F, C, switch back and forth, okay? We clap and sing hello, we clap and sing hello. With our friends at story time, we clap and sing hello. Okay, let's try the next one with a little bit of uppy downies in there as well. Bouncing we will go, bouncing we will go. See, hi-ho the dairy-o, bouncing we will go. Okay, for fall season, we've got the leaves are turning red, the leaves are turning red. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the leaves are turning red. So again, we can kind of play with what we want to do with our strums, whether we're doing only downs, down, ups, how fast our tempo is going to match the song well. Okay, let's try 2 more. And I'm going to play around a little bit, so I'm not always downing and upping, right? Because what we can start doing is leaving out some. So we might go down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, try that. The sun is in the sky, the sun is in the sky, hot and bright it gives us light, the sun is in the sky. Okay, we can vary a little bit. That's again one of those things that you're not going to do right away, but as you get better at it, you can start playing with where the rhythms sound right. A bee is on my toe, a bee is on my toe, hey ho, just watch me blow, a bee is on my